Okay, so let's say you've created a form, but you realize that maybe you want to make some changes to it. Maybe you want to rename, you want to edit it. Is that possible in Google Forms? Yes, it is possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your forms after creating them. You can simply re-edit your forms to suit your needs. So down here, you're going to see when you come to Google Forms, by simply just typing google.forms.com, you're going to come here. And when you are here, you can create a blank form or use any of these templates. But I want to show you how you can edit an already existing form or survey or a pool, something like that. So here you're going to see the surveys or pools or forms that you've created previously, and uh, they are going to be under the recent forms. You can just click on any of these to open it, the one that you want to edit. So for instance, I want to edit this one. And when I click on it, it opens like that. I can edit this form. Maybe I want to change the head section here to change the image for this header section. What I have to do here, I have to come to customize theme and scroll down here. I'm going to see the background. I can just click on this X to get rid of that image and it's gone just like that. I can click on the choose image to insert a new image instead. So for instance, I can just select this image and insert it as a new image for this form, and it's going to be inserted like that. I can re-edit, you can re-edit them, you can make changes in Google Forms after edit. And so here you can still come back here and also change the formatting for this description. You can make it bold. You can also say uh, the the first question here is going to be italicized, and also it's going to be bold, but you have to highlight it. Then cut down here, you're going to see the formatting option. You can make it bold, you can also italicize it, you can also underline it if that's something you're interested in. You can also insert links. You can also get rid of or remove the formatting options. That's the same for all these other questions. You can continue and edit or maybe change the type of a question it is by just clicking here and say maybe you want a drop down answer instead. You can also change to multiple choice and also all these other options here. The way it is, I actually it was a paragraph. I'll just leave it like that. So when you're done, you can just simply close this or maybe send it to the people who you want to send it to. And there are three ways, actually five, because we also have via Facebook and Twitter. We have the embedded option where you have to embed this form into your website. And you have the link option where you can just come here and copy this link and share it to whoever. Or you can also shorten this link so it becomes much cleaner. When you copy this and share it to anyone, people will be able to see your form. You can also share this form or survey or pool with anyone via email. Just enter the email addresses of the people you want to send this form to, and they're going to receive it. But when you enter the email addresses here, you're going to click on the send. These are the five main ways of sharing your form with other people. And when they start responding or sending their responses to this form or pool or survey, you're going to see the responses under the responses tab. Here, you're going to see all the people who responded to your survey and all the answers they sent or responses. Then you also have the ability to see the responses in the sheet if you have linked this form to a Google Sheet spreadsheet. That's something you should be aware of. I've created so many videos about this topic, and so if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can watch all these different types of videos about Google Forms. I hope this video is helpful. If you're interested in tutorial videos like this, leave a like on this video and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.